Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So my name is Justine and I am 40 something and I like to post videos on beauty, lifestyle, a little bit of travel. I subscribe to some subscription boxes and anything beauty. I'm definitely focused on a lot of beauty products. I just love makeup and skincare, so I always like to share the products with you and my opinions. So if this is something that you would be interested in, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you stay up to date with all my latest videos. Now without further ado, today's video is my Simply Beautiful subscription box. Now this is a Canadian box if you're not familiar with it. I believe it's based out of British Columbia, and I stumbled on this about a year ago, so I think this is my full year that I've gone through. And my first box was last summer, and I have to admit I wasn't crazy about it, but they have been getting better and better and better every time I get a box. So they do come 4 times a year, so every 3 months, so you get one for each season. And I always get so many really neat things, and they are all local. So meaning local as in Canadian. So that was what my big issue with the first box last summer. A lot of the products were kind of made in China kind of things. They weren't local things, but I think they listened to everybody and now they just focus on everything being from Canada, I believe. That's kind of what the trend is. So anyways, without further ado, I am going to open my box. I haven't seen any spoilers. I haven't checked out anyone else's videos. So mine came today, and I just want to quickly add, I am going at the end of this video, if you're interested, I'm going to go through my last box and let you guys know what I thought of the products. I thought you might find that interesting to see if the box was a waste of money or if I used every single item. So stay tuned to the end if you're interested in that part. But let's get on to this box. So it comes like this in the mail. It's usually has some sort of pattern or something on the box. It's quite cute. This one is hot air balloons. And let's open it up. Okay. So first thing, I always get a little welcome with all the items. So I will slowly go through what each thing is and I will show them to you. So this is a Mytagalongs Quartz charger case. So it looks kind of like a makeup bag, but I think it's, you can charge your phone in here maybe. Let's have a look. So it's very pretty. It's almost like a neoprene type of fabric. It's slippery. Yeah, so I guess it's to keep all your cords and your phone and all that kind of stuff for traveling. Charger and cord case. This is going to be great for me for travel. I'm actually going on a European vacation very soon, so I will definitely take this with me. I have another bag that I use. I call it my technology bag, and I keep all my cords and all that kind of stuff in it. But this has nice little compartments to keep everything separate, and a nice Velcro closing. So I will definitely be using this. It's really cute. Nice colors too, so it'll stand out in my bag as well if I'm digging around. This is Maskerade Sheet Masks. So that I got the Beauty Restore, Rejuvenate, and Repair, and it looks like a sheet mask. Oh, there's 2. And this one is a I Don't Want to Grow Up, Lift Firm and Soften Fine Lines. So it's a hydrating, and they're both hydrating. So that's cool. I've never used this brand. I've gotten a couple of sheet masks from, oh, there's 3. And this one is pre-party prep. So it's 3 masks. I do like sheet masks. I just always seem to forget about them, and I tend to gravitate towards deep cleansing charcoal because I break out, as you can see. So I always like to detox my skin, but I think that hydrating is also really important. So I'm definitely going to try these. They look very nice. And what's this? Blush Peony, and get 10% off your order. So there's been a couple of items from Blush Peony in the past. I think they make kind of like home goods. I think we've gotten like a scarf and a tumbler, coffee mug or something like that last time. So that's nice. This looks like a body product. Stripped Southern Comfort. What is this? Oh, Southern Comfort Down There Wash. All right, so it sounds like it's from Vancouver. Stripped wax bar. It's formulated especially for your delicate areas. So, okay. It's a feminine cleanser. So yeah, I will definitely try that. And it's from a Vancouver company. Oh, well, these are cute. Lark and Ives collection. It's pins. Where does it say? Wanderlust pin set. And it's high heels, a hot air balloon, which I guess came from the inspiration on this box, a pineapple, a martini, and an airplane. So these are really cute little charms. And where is this company from? Vancouver. Lark and Ives. Really, really sweet little pins. I'm sure I would wear those on a scarf or something. This is another beauty item. Nayelle Probiotic Anti-Aging Night Cream. It's a Rejuvenate product. And it says, enjoy 25% off your order if you buy anything. So that's cool. And yeah, it's a night cream. It's a Vancouver-based skincare company. Very nice. So it's a night cream product. And it's a lot of product in here. 40 grams, 14 ounces. Ooh, what is this? This is Blush Peony. Like I mentioned, they kind of make lifestyle goods. Wanderlust. So it seems like this box is geared towards travel. And it's just like a little cosmetic pouch or any kind of pouch you can use for traveling. I rely so much on pouches so I don't have bits all over. And I kind of put them in sections. Like I mentioned, I have one called my technology bag. I'll have another one that has all our like little pharmacy. I always travel with a first aid kit. I always pack all my makeup in one, hair care in one, and skincare in another. I just like pouches so much. And I also pack travel cubes. Those are a huge lifesaver. I put all my shirts in one, all my dresses in one, all my tops, so you always know where all your stuff is so you're not digging around. I hate digging when I'm traveling. And last but not least, this is a little travel tote, I believe. It's a little shopping bag. And this is from Simply Beautiful, so they've organized this. It's just a nice navy and white striped with tan pleather type accent. So it actually pops out quite large, and it's got a treated inside. So it's, if you spill or anything like that, it'll be fine. So it's a really nice big shopper. So this is great for traveling. I always take really light shopping bags. I usually use the Lululemon totes. They're so helpful when you're away on vacation because I go pick up groceries sometime on foot and I want to bring back water and all that kind of stuff. So they're really handy and they're super light in your bag. But this is also super light and it's a little bit more stylish than my Lululemon bag. So yeah, so that's a really nice box. As I mentioned, they seem to get better and better. So this one kind of focused on travel, which was handy for me, especially with my upcoming vacation. So yeah, I'm very, very happy with this box. It said the overall value was $180. I can't remember the exact price of how much these boxes are. I'll link it or I'll put it across the screen because I did start this a year ago, so I don't really remember what it was per month. Not per month, but per box. So all in all, I am very happy with my summer box. Now, if you're interested in seeing what I got last time, that was my spring box, and I'll let you know if I am using it or have used it or whatever. So the first thing was a pair of Olive and Piper mini tassel earrings. I did get rid of these. They're a little out of my comfort zone. As you can see, I wear small plain earrings. I tend to wear a lot of like Swarovski earrings. I just find I like simple and plain. But these are really, really cute. They're just not my style. Huna Apothecary. It's a Nourish Skin Nutrition Balm. I haven't gotten into that one yet. I have so many skincare products, but I'm sure I will get into it. A balm is always handy. It came with a Simply Beautiful Done and Done list. I use this as a shopping list. Cherie Arome, it was facial oil, and yes, I do use this. I alternate it with all my other oils. I use a rosehip oil at night as well as a marula oil, and I rotate this one in as well. And from Blush Peony, I got this gorgeous gray scarf, and yes, I have used it. I love the color. It's just a nice, really pretty scarf. Delia Organics, it was a nail and cuticle oil. I have so many on the go at the moment, and they take years to get through, but I will eventually get to that. And last but not least, Simply Beautiful sent some rose gold measuring spoons. I did give these to a friend. I have, I think, 3 sets of Cuisinart measuring spoons that I'm very happy with. So, and they're stainless steel, so I passed on the rose gold ones. But all in all, it was a very good value. I really enjoyed the products, and the things that I didn't use went to other good homes, and some of the stuff I didn't use, I know I definitely will get to eventually. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please click like, and if you'd like to see more, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you stay up to date with all my latest videos. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye!